Pi News World stands as a trusted destination for those seeking real, verified updates about the Pi network. By focusing on official announcements and genuine developments, it ensures that the community receives only accurate and reliable information. In a rapidly changing crypto landscape, patience and optimism are essential virtues for Pi network supporters. The platform encourages its audience to remain hopeful, reminding them that understanding and perseverance can lead to great opportunities. As the Pi network continues to evolve, Pi News World remains committed to guiding its community with integrity and clarity. Elon Musk has officially confirmed that X Money is now live for internal use, signaling a major leap forward in the world of digital payments. This development is particularly noteworthy for the Pi ecosystem, as it paves the way for innovative payment solutions and seamless crypto transactions. X Money is designed to offer speed, security, and scalability, leveraging blockchain technology to facilitate peer-to-peer payments without intermediaries. The internal launch sets the stage for broader adoption and hints at exciting possibilities for both the crypto community and everyday users. X Money is entering its highly anticipated Phase 2, a development set to transform digital payments within the Pi ecosystem. This phase will introduce crypto payment capabilities, allowing users to send and receive digital assets instantly and securely. By leveraging advanced blockchain technology, X Money aims to provide seamless, peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries. This integration promises to make everyday payments faster, safer, and more convenient for Pi network users, opening up new possibilities for global commerce and financial inclusion. X Money represents a new era in digital payments, designed to deliver transactions that are fast, secure, and highly scalable. Built on advanced blockchain technology, it enables peer-to-peer transfers without the need for intermediaries, ensuring both efficiency and transparency. The system's decentralized architecture not only enhances security, but also provides users with greater control over their funds. With these features, X Money is poised to transform how individuals and businesses handle payments in the digital age. Integrating X Money with the Pi ecosystem has the potential to transform the way digital payments are made worldwide. By combining X Money's fast, secure, and decentralized payment infrastructure with Pi Network's growing user base, crypto transfers could become as simple as sending a text message. This seamless experience would not only make everyday transactions more convenient, but also unlock new opportunities for global commerce. Businesses and individuals could send and receive payments instantly, without the need for intermediaries or traditional banking delays. Such innovation could accelerate the adoption of cryptocurrencies and set new standards for digital financial systems. Within the Pi network community, anticipation is running high as users speculate about the official payment name for the ecosystem. Social media platforms are abuzz with guesses and discussions, ranging from XPay to PiPay and other creative suggestions. This excitement reflects the community's deep engagement and eagerness for the next phase of development. As the official announcement draws closer, users remain attentive, hoping for a name that will capture the innovative spirit of the Pi ecosystem. Across social media platforms, excitement is building as crypto enthusiasts and Pi network users react to the latest developments. Discussions are filled with predictions about what the integration of new payment technologies could mean for the future of digital transactions. Many users are speculating about potential features, the official payment name, and how these changes might impact the broader crypto ecosystem. The community's enthusiasm is evident, with ongoing debates and shared hopes for a seamless and innovative payment experience. This collective anticipation highlights the growing influence of digital currencies in everyday life. X money is poised to transform the way people handle everyday transactions by leveraging advanced blockchain technology. With its focus on speed, security, and user-friendly design, X money aims to make sending and receiving cryptocurrency as simple as sending a text message. This streamlined approach removes traditional barriers, allowing users to complete payments instantly and securely, whether they're shopping online or transferring funds internationally. By eliminating intermediaries and offering a seamless experience, X money enhances convenience and accessibility for users around the globe. As a result, it sets a new benchmark for digital payments and paves the way for broader adoption of cryptocurrency in daily life. The launch of X money marks a significant milestone for both the fintech and cryptocurrency industries. By introducing a fast, secure, and decentralized payment system, X money is poised to redefine how digital transactions are conducted worldwide. Its integration of blockchain technology and partnerships with established financial networks like Visa set a new benchmark for innovation and reliability in digital payments. This advancement is expected to inspire further development across the sector, potentially accelerating the global adoption of cryptocurrencies. As industry leaders and users alike observe X money's progress, its influence on shaping future payment solutions becomes increasingly evident. As anticipation builds around the integration of X money and the Pi ecosystem, the community eagerly awaits the official reveal of the payment system's name and the upcoming full-scale launch. This moment marks a significant milestone in the evolution of digital payments, with many expecting it to set new standards across the industry. With speculation and excitement growing, all eyes are on the next announcements from the X money team. The future of crypto payments is unfolding, and further updates promise to bring even more innovation and opportunity. Stay tuned as we continue to follow the latest developments in this rapidly changing landscape.